Hi everyone, thank you for joining in. We'll start with our session in a while. I hope you all are doing well. Am I audible? मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? I hope you all can hear me. Hi Hetal, hi Aarti, hi Rita Ben. Hello Ashish ji. Namaste, welcome to the session. Okay, we'll start with the session in 2 minutes. Yes, Hetal, I'm doing very well. Hope all is well at your end as well. One more minute to go and we'll start with the session exactly at 4:30. Alright, it's about time. Let us start with the session. Namaste and welcome to the session with Basuri Yoga. So, as you know, the main intention of today's topic is immunoboosting. आजकल के टाइम पे इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाना कितना ज़रूरी है, वी ऑल नो दैट. तो just to boost our immunity, especially our lungs, because everything depends on the lungs right now. अभी जो वायरस फैला हुआ है, वी ऑल नो दैट उसका सबसे मेन अटैक हमारे लंग्स पे हो रहा है. यस, हम लोग मास्क पहन रहे हैं, यस हम लोग सैनिटाइजेशन कर रहे हैं, हाथ धो रहे हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम we also need to build ourselves internally, and in order to build ourselves internally, we have to have a strong immunity and strong lungs, because this virus is attacking on the lungs itself. So आज हम लोग बेसिक एक्सरसाइजेस से शुरू करेंगे to train our lungs to breathe better. Alright, so let us start with it. Back straight, shoulders relaxed, chin parallel to the floor. जो शोल्डर्स है वो ऐसे क्लेंच्ड नहीं रखने हैं, एकदम रिलैक्स रखने हैं. इफ़ यू आर हंचिंग, मेक श्योर कि आपकी बैक बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट हो. हैंड्स एकदम स्टिफ नहीं रखने हैं, बिल्कुल रिलैक्स रखने हैं. नेक को थोड़ा मूवमेंट देकर रिलैक्स कर दीजिए. मेक श्योर योर होल बॉडी इज रिलैक्स्ड. एंड विद दिस स्टेट ऑफ योर बॉडी, focus at one point in front of you and gently close your eyes. Focus on your breath for 2 minutes. Observe your breath. देखिए कि आपकी ब्रीदिंग कैसे चल रही है. शांति से ऑब्जर्व करें. देखिए आपकी ब्रेथ फास्ट चल रही है या स्लो। देखिए आपकी ब्रेथ हैवी है या लाइट। देखिए आपकी ब्रेथ डीप है या शैलो। फोर्स नहीं करना है अपने ब्रीदिंग को। नॉर्मल जैसे आपकी नेचुरली सांसें चलती है वैसे ही चलते रहना है। कोई चेंज नहीं, कोई फोर्स नहीं। अब आपकी नेचुरल ब्रीदिंग को थोड़ा सा डीप करना है। आप नेचुरली जिस तरह से ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं उससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा डीप ब्रीथ करिए, लेकिन उसके लिए बॉडी को ज़्यादा फोर्स नहीं देना है, ज़्यादा प्रेशर नहीं देना है। जस्ट नेचुरली हल्का सा एफर्ट डाल के थोड़ा सा ब्रीथ इन करिए, ज़्यादा, अ लिटिल मोर डीपर ब्रेथ। एंड कंप्लीट एक्सहेलेशन। जितना ज़्यादा डीप ब्रीथ इन कर रहे हैं उतना ज़्यादा लॉन्ग एक्सहेल करना है। Relax and gently open your eyes. ओके, सो अब हम लोग सबसे पहले जो एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं आफ्टर गेटिंग टू नो आवर ब्रेथ अ लिटिल बिट, बिकॉज हम यूजुअली कभी ध्यान नहीं देते कि हमारी ब्रेथ कैसी चल रही है, ब्रीदिंग कैसे हो रही है। तो फॉर अ चेंज आज थोड़ी देर ध्यान दिया तो थोड़ा पता चल गया है कि हमारी ब्रीदिंग कैसे हो रही है। आफ्टर गेटिंग टू नो दैट we'll ट्राई टू इक्वलाइज आवर ब्रेथ। अभी ये जो इक्वल ब्रीदिंग है वो सारे प्राणायामों में, सारे ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज में सबसे टॉप पर आता है। मतलब आप चाहे और कोई प्राणायाम और कोई ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज करें या ना करें, बट इफ़ यू ओनली डू दिस वन एक्सरसाइज you are training your lungs for the best, because this is one of the bestest exercise which is equal breathing. इसमें आप अपने इन्हेलेशन और एक्सेलेशन को इक्वलाइज करते हैं, मतलब कि जितना इनहेल करेंगे उतना ही एक्सेल करेंगे, विच एक्चुअली मीन्स वट एवर यू आर टेकिंग इन इज एवरीथिंग यू आर टेकिंग आउट, सो दैट अंदर कोई स्टेल हवा नहीं बचती है और उससे आप फ्रेश एयर को कम्प्लीटली इनहेल करने के लिए रेडी हो जाते हैं. So let us start with equal breathing. Before we start with equal breathing, let us remove all the stale air that might already be inside our body, which we are not even aware of. So for that, take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. So it would be like this. Deep inhalation through your nose and complete long exhalation from your mouth. Once you do this, you'll feel that all the excessive air is leaving your body and you'll feel some emptiness, some movement happening within your lungs. Now you're ready for, and even if you don't, it's okay. Now we are ready for the exercise equal breathing, where we are equalizing our breath. So it goes like this. We'll start with basic 3 counts of inhalation and 3 counts of exhalation. So it would go like this. So when I raise my hands up, it means I'm inhaling, and when I take it down, it means I'm exhaling. So it would ideally be inhale, 2, 3, exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3, exhale, 2, 3. You don't have to move your hands, you just observe and focus on your breath, and when you inhale, mentally try to synchronize your breathing with my counts. We'll do 5 rounds of equal breathing. Let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. 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 And relax. Breathe normally. We'll take a few normal breaths. Hope you're feeling the difference. In case you are, just give me a thumbs up and we'll go for one more round of equal breathing. Alright. Okay, so we'll start with a second round. 5 rounds again for equal breathing. It would be better if you can keep your eyes shut and follow the instructions. You'll feel the breath properly. Okay, let's do it. Ready? Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. 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 And relax. Let's breathe normal for a few seconds. And in case you have some questions, you're free to send me the questions across in the comment. Alright, so now we'll do a few exercises related to breathing to improve our lung capacity, as I already mentioned. So for that, put your hands straight in front of you and inhaling, take your hands up. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Just take them up straight and bring them down straight again. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. So, while inhaling, the process of inhalation and the process of raising your hand should be simultaneous. Similarly, the process of exhaling and bringing your hand down should be simultaneous. So, let's do it once again. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Breathe in as deep as you can and exhale as long as you can. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. Inhaling up. Exhaling down. And relax. Similarly, hands in front of you, and then inhaling, open your arms wide. Exhaling, bring them close again. Inhaling, open your hands wide. Exhaling, bring them close again. Inhaling, open. Exhaling, close. Inhaling, open. Exhaling, close. Inhaling, open. Exhaling, close and relax. Hi Darshita, hi Abdul, hi Shaibi. Thank you for joining in. Hello Jai, how are you? Hello Dipali Bhabhi, hi Sudhir, hi Kranti. Okay, let's move on to the third exercise. Hands on your side and inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down, and relax. Breathe normal. Alright, so moving on to the next exercise. We'll move our shoulders a little because our shoulders and lungs are related. So moving our shoulders will help you open the lungs. Hands on your shoulders, and we are simply going to rotate our shoulders. So first front to back movement including the breathing. So while your hands are together and moving upwards, you are inhaling, and while you are going back and down, you are exhaling. So inhale and exhale. Hi Nisha. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and reverse. While going reverse, again when your hands are moving up, you are inhaling, and when they are coming down, you are exhaling. So inhale while they are going up and exhale while bringing them down. Join your elbows. Inhale and exhale. 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 And relax. Relax your elbows, relax your shoulders. And breathe normal. Okay. What you can do now is we'll do the breathing through our ribs, intercostal breathing. So for intercostal breathing, you place your hands on your ribs on the sides, and your little finger would be placed on your hanging rib, the last rib that you have. And when you hold it tight. Yes, Sudhir, it is okay if you can't join your elbows, but try if you can. Get as much stretch as you can while doing the exercise. So, place your hands gently on your ribs, and then when you inhale, your ribs shall open. And when you exhale, your ribs shall come close. Now don't try to purposely move your hands open and close while doing that, because हाथ का मूवमेंट नहीं करना है, हम लोग रिब्स का मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं. रिब्स के साथ हाथ अपने आप मूव होंगे. So focus on the movement of your ribs and not of your hands. So again, placing your hands on your ribs gently. Inhale and let your ribs open fully. Exhale and let your ribs collapse as much as they can. Inhale completely. Let your ribs expand. Exhale completely and let your ribs collapse as much as they can. Inhale and exhale. 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 Inhale and exhale and relax. breathe normal. So breathing consciously is a matter of practice. अब हम लोगों को इतने सालों से आदत हो गई है कि हम अनकॉन्शियसली ब्रीथ करते आ रहे हैं. सो अभी हमें प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी कि हम कॉन्शियसली थोड़ा एफर्ट डालें, एटलीस्ट दिन में आधा घंटा, टू वर्क ऑन आवर ब्रेथ. ये आधा घंटा जो हम हमारे ब्रेथ पे काम करेंगे और हमारे कॉन्शियसली हमारे लंग्स पे और हमारे ब्रीदिंग पे हम वर्क करेंगे, उसका इफेक्ट पूरे दिन हमारे साथ रहेगा और इससे हमारे लंग्स ट्रेन होंगे टू ब्रीथ बेटर, टू टेक इन मोर ऑक्सीजन. एंड when our lungs are strong, we can fight whatever is going on around us more strongly, more confidently. So please continue doing this. And last exercise for the day would be diaphragm breathing. You can do this lying down or while sitting, whatever is comfortable to you. I'll sit and do it right now. So again, sit straight with your back straight, shoulders relaxed, neck relaxed, no strain on your neck. And then put right hand on your diaphragm. Diaphragm would be just take, you can, hello Dharmesh, you can find your navel region and 4 fingers above your navel region is your diaphragm. So place your right hand gently on your diaphragm, left hand relaxed, eyes closed, and breathe normal to begin with. As you inhale, you will see that your diaphragm rises up, and as you exhale, you will observe your diaphragm going inwards. Give all your attention to the movement of your diaphragm. As you inhale, your diaphragm expands, and as you exhale, your diaphragm goes in. Think the diaphragm like a balloon. When you fill air inside the balloon, it expands, and when you remove air from the balloon, it collapses. So as you inhale, diaphragm expands, and as you exhale, your diaphragm collapses. Keep focusing on the movement of your diaphragm. Inhale and exhale. 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 And relax. Breathe normal. Alright, so that is all for today. We'll explore more breathing exercises and breathing options in our upcoming sessions. And breathing, as I just mentioned earlier, is a matter of training. So we have to train our lungs to breathe better. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट दिस प्रोग्राम इज इंटेंडेड टूवर्ड्स. सो हम लोग ये सेशंस कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे और अपने लंग्स को ट्रेन करते रहेंगे. येस, फ्यू एक्सरसाइज वुड बी रिपीटेड, मोस्ट ऑफ दीज वुड बी रिपीटेड बिकॉज ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सरसाइजेज है फॉर आवर लंग्स. एंड कुछ नई एक्सरसाइजेज भी ऐड करते रहेंगे. इट्स ऑल अबाउट बीइंग अवेयर ऑफ योर ब्रेथ एंड इट इज़ ऑल अबाउट strengthening your breath, breathing deep, and making your lungs breathe to the optimum capacity. And that is what we all need right now. So yes, keep joining in. And अगर कोई भी questions है तो आप comment में छोड़ दीजिए. I'll read it and I'll surely try and answer each and every question of yours. Thank you very much for joining in today. See you tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. Hello Ragini. Thank you for joining in. Hello Yash. Thank you Darshita.